Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious French toast. First, gather your ingredients like bread, eggs, milk, and sugar. You'll want a good quality bread, perhaps a brioche or challah for the best texture. Whisk the eggs with milk and a touch of vanilla extract in a shallow dish. This creates the perfect custard for dipping. Ensure your pan is ready with butter or oil for cooking. We're aiming for a golden brown finish. For this recipe, you'll need about 4 slices of thick-cut bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract to your egg mixture for that classic flavor. When dipping, ensure each bread slice is fully coated in the custard, but don't let it soak too long, or it will become soggy. A quick dip on each side is usually perfect. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. Just like a perfectly cooked French toast fills your kitchen with a wonderful aroma, your car deserves to smell great too. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a classic for a reason and keeps your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for this and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once dipped, place your bread slices onto the preheated pan. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Keep an eye on the heat and adjust it as needed to prevent burning and ensure even cooking throughout. Serve your French toast immediately with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, powdered sugar, or fresh berries. Enjoy every warm, delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.